How to use DeepSeek R1 for free right now. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in DeepSeek AI and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website, deepseek.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Click on Start Now. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now from here, you are able to use R1 model. So go ahead and provide the prompt. Before providing the prompt, enable it. After it turns purple, it has been enabled. Now you can provide the prompt and it's gonna provide you the response. DeepSeek R1 excels in complex problem-solving tasks, including mathematical reasoning and code generation. This is significantly more efficient compared to other leading AI models, which often require larger budgets and more extensive computational resources. DeepSeek R1 is available under an open-source license, allowing developers and researchers worldwide to access, modify, and implement the model in various applications. So this is how you can easily use DeepSeek R1 model for free right now. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.